Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel at Semco Painting and Decorating. Today's tip is gonna be how to clean your paint roller after painting. The way we clean it, it's I think in my opinion is the quickest way, but we're using a special tool for that. We're gonna show you later. Need now. First you need to scrape all the paint from the sleeve. There's at least half a liter of paint in the sleeve, depending how big the sleeve is. This one is 16 millimeters. There's a lot of paint in it. So you have to squeeze out as much as possible. The more you squeeze out, the easier it's gonna be to wash the roller. As you can see, we're using a scraper that's got curb for cleaning sleeves. This is made specially for this. The next step is the tool. So this is the tool we're using for cleaning the sleeve. So how this works, you just push the sleeve inside this, and then you lock it up on this side and you connect it to the hose and let water go and just wait for the water to be clean and your roller is it's clean. First you have to wash this on the water pipe. Hook up the hose, and then all you have to do is in the meantime, if you want to clean your brushes, you can use the same water, so at the same time you're recycling the dirty water instead of using a clean water for brushing, cleaning the brush. It's gonna take a few moments before the water is gonna be clean. As you can see, it's a clean water now and the roller is clean. All we have to do is now turn off the tap, put the roller in this position, open the tap, and now last step is spinning the roller, but before you do that, you pull it out. Is there any water inside? Here we are. This is how the sleeve comes up, nice and clean. It took us 5 minutes to clean it with no effort at all. All we have to do is just scrape it off, put it in and wash it off. Too easy. Please leave the comments, any questions down below. Of course, like, subscribe. I don't want to mention that anymore. You should know that by now. We will appreciate if you give us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.